Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a distance indicator with ultrasonic sensor. To make this project we will need an ultrasonic sensor and 16 by 2 display, a breadboard and Arduino Uno and a 10K preset, some jumper cables. Let's make the video. First take the breadboard and put the LCD display to the breadboard. And connect the ultrasonic sensor. And put the 10K preset to the breadboard. Now connect the first pin of display to the minus pin of breadboard and connect the second pin to the positive pin of breadboard. Now connect the third pin to the pin number 7 of Arduino and connect fourth pin of display to the pin number 6 of Arduino. Connect fifth pin to the pin number 5 of Arduino. Connect 6 pin of display to pin number 5 of 4 of Arduino. Now leave 4 pins. Connect fifth pin to the pin number 2 of Arduino and connect the second pin to the ground pin of Arduino and connect the third pin to the digital pin number 1 of Arduino and connect the next fourth pin to the preset middle point of and connect next pin to the positive pin of breadboard and connect last pin of display to the ground pin of breadboard. Now connect the ultrasonic sensors. Ultrasonic sensor ground pin is connected to the ground of breadboard and echo pin is connected to the pin number 10 of Arduino. Connect the trick pin to the pin number 9 of Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of ultrasonic sensor to the minus point of potentiometer. Connect the potentiometer right side pin to the positive of the breadboard and connect the negative terminal of potentiometer to negative of breadboard. Now connect the positive wire to the plus 5 volts of Arduino and negative wire to ground pin of Arduino. Now all the connections are completed. Let's upload the code. Now connect the power supply to the Arduino and go to Arduino Drive app and copy the code and paste the code here and compile the code. The compilation is finished. Now upload the code to the Arduino. See, the distance is calculating. Now see, the distance is calculating. Now let's test the distance. The project is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.